Hey, are you married to an HVAC technician? He loves his career, but you're not so crazy about it because he's out all hours of the night. He's missing birthday parties, the special family events. Sometimes he's just not there because he's out fixing someone's air conditioner. At Climate Masters, we recognize the need for a balance between work and family life. An HVAC service technician that works at Climate Masters is going to be on a 5-week rotation. That means he's going to have more time to be at home with you. And then when he is on call, he's not going to be servicing everybody that can dial our phone number. We only service after hours for maintenance agreement customers. It's going to allow him to be home more with you and your family. If you or a loved one would like to become a team member at Climate Masters, click the link that's provided or share this video with someone that you know. I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.